iPad, Galaxy. I own them both. Not claiming to be experts about both of them. I just do know this. I know that we bought this for different reasons than we use the iPad for. Um, iPad is primarily used for the presentation part of our sales. However, when we're doing something live on the internet for a customer, let's say a live demonstration, this device has been better. Um, the video quality on this device, though, uh, sorry, Samsung, sucks. Uh, it's bad. But as far as when we start talking about um, when you start talking about the HD on Apple, which soon will be on the iPad. Let's face it, they're going to put the camera and they're going to put the HD on the iPad. Um, you're so far it's untouchable. There's no one right now that can even touch the iPad as far as the clarity goes um, of the video, and it's only going to get better. This is what these people do. This is what they've done for going on 3 decades now. Windows, Bill Gates, and all the other people have been trying to chase them. The fallacies that the iPad, all those things that it doesn't do, um, uh, when you sit there and weigh out the things that the other devices can't do, physically can't do. For one, most people, even with their phones on AT&T's network, we know that we can email, text, talk, fax. We can do everything all simultaneously on and I won't even mention the carriers, but you'll find out that on some of your Android phones, you can't do those things. You can't receive and send. You may think you're sending text, but they're not going out until you hang up the phone. I'm not saying that all service works like that. Some of the other networks, depending on where you're at, it is available. I'm not trying to say AT&T is a better phone because it is not. The phone sucks. AT&T's phone service, which you guys have to understand that the data and the phone network are completely a separate issue, which brings me back to the um, capabilities of what a lot of guys don't understand, the word tether, and I think Michael K mentioned it. We can tether our telephone to our iPad and run it. Uh, so we actually have service from the iPhone to the iPad. We don't need to pay any more money for this. It's not a service like this device requires a service. It's through Verizon. If I got this through AT&T, which they do have this available, I could also tether it. One of the main reasons that we got this is because when we go up into buildings, AT&T service stinks, so we're using the Verizon version or alternative, I should say, so that we can, when we're in these high-rise buildings, we can actually give our presentations via from the internet. Now, some guys go, well, why don't you put them on, da da da. We have some web-based applications for our proposals, and we like to show our customers on their own computer screens how they can make their own proposals. Uh, Whoops, did I let a secret out of the bag there? Anyways, moving on. This is about the iPad. Guys, we're going to be drawing one of these on Wednesday for the staff at PWI. There is another thread in there, I believe on the 5th. We're going to be drawing another one for the entire membership of PWI, which includes guys on any of the bulletin boards that they want to post that you want to post from. So get on there. You know what? Hey guys, win an inferior product. Come on, give it a shot. But anyways, Guys, the iPad is absolutely hands down the nuts. It's the best device in its class of its kind. Um, I said this earlier. I think that I was using HP, and HP did come up with the touchscreen uh, the first touchscreen tablets way back when. I mean, it's been 3 or 4 years now, and I think that HP, because they make some other products for business and the industry. You've seen them in medical offices and things like that. I think that the HP Pad or tablet will probably be a better source for business, but I still don't think for presentations it's going to be a better computer. But I believe for the integration of all the software and all the programs for business, it probably is going to wind up being a better tool for us because we'll be able to get things done. But you know, in all my years of this technology wars, there's really never been a one and all product that I believe that has been a source for me uh, uh, that's been the absolute, like, let's say it does everything that I need. A lot of times we've had to use multiple products to achieve things that we want to achieve. But I can tell you this right now, the iPad is light years ahead of any of these guys right now, and it'll be very surprising. And if anybody tries to talk you out of buying one for Christmas, if you were going to buy one and you were going to use it for your business, I would suggest that you buy it and you start implementing it, and that iPad will pay for itself uh, with without any trouble. It'll pay for itself if you're at a restaurant and you show the table next to you what you do. It'll pay for itself. I mean, it'll pay for itself if you're at the gas station and there's a person there fueling their car up and they ask you what you do or ask you about your service because they saw this on your truck, and you're able to take that iPad and go boom and give them a 30-second presentation on what you do exactly. It's going to make you money. I guarantee it. It has sold my business hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and thousands of dollars worth of monthly maintenance accounts because we use it. Get one, guys.